Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Merge Garden. To begin, you'll merge 3 or more identical items on your board to create a new, more advanced item. This core mechanic drives all progress. You'll also work to clear the mysterious fog covering parts of your garden, revealing new areas and opportunities. As you play, collect valuable resources such as coins and stars, which are essential for expanding your beautiful garden and unlocking exciting new features. Mastering the merge mechanic is key to your success. Simply drag and drop an item onto 2 or more identical items to combine them. Remember, merging 5 items at once is always more efficient than merging 3, as it often grants you an extra, higher-level item. These advanced items are crucial because they generate more valuable resources, like coins and experience points, helping you progress much faster through the game's many challenges and expansions. Expanding your garden is a rewarding process. Focus on completing the various quests and challenges presented to you, as these provide excellent rewards and often unlock new sections of your garden. Utilize your collected stars to clear away the persistent fog, revealing more land for your creations. Don't forget to regularly harvest from your plants and structures. These provide a steady stream of coins, wood, and other vital resources needed for further development and merging. For strategic play, always aim to merge 5 items instead of 3. This maximizes your output and accelerates your progress significantly. Maintaining an organized garden is also crucial, as it helps you quickly identify potential merges and manage your space effectively. Furthermore, make sure to complete your daily tasks and challenges. These offer excellent, consistent rewards like gems and coins, which are invaluable for speeding up your garden's growth and unlocking premium items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.